Okay, friends, to go along with our Grouchy Ladybug craft that you just did, you're going to do your Grouchy Ladybug writing. It says today, I feel grouchy when. I feel grouchy when. I'm going to think about it. When might I feel a little bit grouchy? Oh, I know. I feel grouchy when and then write this sight word, am. I'm going to try to stretch it out. Am. A, Okay. I feel grouchy when I am tired. That makes me feel a little grouchy. When I'm tired, I'm a little grouchy. I'm going to sound out the word tired. Ready? I'm going to tap. T, t, t. Okay. T, t, t. D. Tired. I feel grouchy when I am tired. That's okay if you feel a little grouchy when you're tired, right? Now, friends, I want you to try your best to stretch your words out and do your very, very best. It is okay if you do not know how to spell the words correctly. We're working on it, so try to stretch those words out for me and write down the sounds that you hear. And remember, we always write our letters at the top. I'll see you soon.